So hello everyone, today we're looking at a roundabout that's found on Cobridge Road. So what I've done, if you go this way, this would take you up to the Cobridge traffic lights. So now we're going to have a look at this roundabout. One of the first things that I find people misunderstand is they don't realise that the first exit is here. It's a very small one to the garage. Obviously this is the second exit here, and then the third exit is to your right here, and that goes into like a factory, I believe. So on the approach to the roundabout, let's imagine that you're going to go over the flyover. Your instructions from the sat nav could be straight ahead, second exit at the roundabout, and then you'll hear the words keep right. So if you approach the roundabout in the right lane and stay in the right lane, that cuts out another lane change because you're already in the lane. If you're going, say, let's into Hanley or Festival Park, then the sat nav may say at the roundabout straight ahead, second exit, keep left. So the next time you're on your driving lesson and you're using the sat nav, remember this because it's very helpful. A lot of people that really don't realize about that exit, the first exit, go into the left and then have issues of trying to get over into the right because there'll be vehicles behind that know the junction and they're already in the right lane. This really can make a big difference and make your drive a lot more smoother with plenty of awareness and planning. Now, roundabouts can be used as a turning circle if you've gone the wrong way. So always be aware and think about vehicles that have gone the wrong way. Like this van here, you can see it's quite close to the roundabout, turning all the way around and back on himself. This roundabout's very easy to get caught out on this. So again, be aware.